Hello. The goal of this assignment is to show that how we can get interpretation of our data, and we are going to use, in fact, Google Trends to get some of trends information from the company we are going to examine. And here we are going to check the top glove company, and we can see that there is a weekly information of the trends of the company, and the scale of the graph is from 0 to 100, and it shows the scale of the popularity of the trend during the span of the time. The maximum will become 100 and the minimum will become 0. So after downloading the CSV file, we will have this top glove CSV, and we can see here we have this top glove CSV JSON file, in fact Excel file, CSV, because it's CSV. No, that's this one, which is the top one. Yeah, in fact the information is saved here in two columns, and these data are based on every week, the number of the trends, in fact number of the top glove appeared in the Google search. So after that, we are going to load this information and use it in our code. So the code, in fact, we first opens the file, reads the data, and converts it to the data frame. And after that, we need to convert the date to the specific format, in a way that, because the date is in epoch sync format and we want to convert it to human readable format. After converting that, we just make the date as an index, so we create our data series. And after that, we have this logic. Based on this one, we are going to search in the data set and find, in fact, convert our data set to based on our from the raw data to the uh, columnar data. After converting that, we should resample it based on weekly, because our data in the daystartsat.com is daily based, and because trend is weekly, we will need to resample it as weekly, so both data will be uh, in fact will be at the same scale. After that, we drop the index and create or read the Google Trends file, and after reading that, we need to read it and convert it based on the uh, convert to the date based on the week, and after that, convert the data to the list and save it into the data frame. And after that, because these two data are, one of them is in very low range. In fact, the prices are something between 5 or 10. The numbers is in this range, but the trend is between 0 to 100. So these two graphs will not be seen very clearly. We need to scale them, and we will scale both of them to 0 to 1, and after converting them, we will plot them and we will see their result. So the result is like this. Okay, so here we can see uh, in fact this pink color is a trend, and the trend has a somehow uh, inverse relationship with the prices. All these prices are almost the same, so it shows the trend prices a bit weekly based, and we can see that whenever the price falls down, the trend goes up. It shows that the new customers and users are starting to search about the in fact the stock and see why the price is falling down, and they want to get more information. That's why the trend goes up, and when the trend becomes steady, we will see that the trend falls down. But here we see that the price falls suddenly. maybe this is the yearly distribution of the interest in the stock market. So that's the normal. So users, we can see that are not really uh, surprised from this huge drop of the prices. So for this, finding out why the trend has not changed in this area, we need to check if this date is in fact the annual, what they call fiscal of the stock market or not. And after that, we can see as the price goes down, the trend goes up. So we can get this insight from the graph that the trend has a reverse relationship with the data. Thank you very much.